Welcome back to another Total Student tutorial video. In this video, we will cover announcements and events within an organization. Let's begin by creating a new announcement. Start by clicking Create New Announcement. For each announcement, you can select a priority: General, Important, or Urgent. Next, create a title. Once you've created a title, you can type your announcement in the content box. If you need to send a link with your announcement, you may add it here. Lastly, select who you want to send your announcement to. If you select Is Public, an announcement will be sent to the entire school. To send only to members of the organization, select the permission level you wish and click Add. If you want to send it to everyone in the organization, click All and then Add. Once you click Save, your announcement will be sent. Now that we've covered announcements, let's go over how to create a new event. To create a new school event within an organization, you must first create a school event category, a location category, and a location. You only have to do this the first time. To create a school event category, go to the Event menu, and then click School Event Categories. Click Create New School Event Category, and type in the name of the category you wish to create. We suggest using your organization name. Click Save to create the category. Next, let's create a new location category. Click on the verification menu and then click Location Categories. Click Create New Location Category and then type the name of the category. Again, we suggest using your organization name. Click Save to create the category. Now we can create a new location. Again, under Verification, click Locations and then Create New Location. Select a location category, which we just created, and then create a name for the location. You can use the Location Helper tool to search for your location. You can move the geofence and adjust your radius accordingly. As a warning, we suggest using a radius of at least 25 meters. Click Save to create your location. Now that we have created our categories and a location, we can create an event. To create an event, go to your organization homepage. Then go to School Events and click Create a New School Event. Select your school event category and then name your event and assign a point value. The maximum point value is 10, and you can have a point value of 0. Select your location category and then choose your location. Complete the start, date, and time, and add any details of the location or of the event. Lastly, choose who you wish to offer the event to, just like we did for announcements. If you choose Is Public, the event will be made public to the entire school, and all students will be able to check in. Otherwise, choose which members you would like to see the event. Select them and click Add. Save and your event will be published. To view or edit an existing event, go to the School Events tab within your organization. Click on the Actions button and then select View or Edit. If you click View, you will see the event details as well as the QR code to check in. You can also view which students attended the event by viewing the Attendance Logs tab. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. Watch our next video, which will cover memberships.